Okay, so today what I'm doing, I'm starting my first episode of the build series. It's going to be talking about building my total BMX custom. Going to build it all up. I'm going to show you everything along the way, so make sure to subscribe so you'll not miss anything. First what we're going to do, we're heading up tonight. It's raining out. We're heading up tonight and we're going to get my frame. Total sandstorm, dirty red frame. It's unreal looking, can't wait to get it. Get it tonight, might get a headset, whatever. But bring it home, unpackage it for you guys and I'll show you everything. Next, I'll probably get forks and stuff, so stay tuned. We'll head up now. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, this is my old bike. Well, not my old bike, but the bike I'm riding at the minute. Just got new grips and stuff for it, so it's pretty fresh. Great bike, really recommend it. Haro 300.1, loved it. But I'm going for an update now. The total sandstorm, already said. Can't wait. So this is episode 1 of the build series. Episode 2 will be up pretty soon. It's going to do a whole build series through the whole thing. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, like I said before. And yeah, hell at night.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs.
We just got Gina Rice in there to get a bike. Gonna get in now, so yeah.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all.
Okay, so just picked up a total BMX frame in this box. Great, opened up and stuff, so we'll get home now. Get show you it. Okay, so we're on our way back here, just from pretty dark, but just from picking up a frame, heading home now, unboxing and stuff, show you this is episode 1 of the build series, so make sure and stay tuned, so yeah. Okay, so got a new frame from Total BMX, going to unbox it. Now, like I said, first off, really good packaging, Total BMX, great. So yeah, I'll open up. It's already been opened, but I'll open up and pull it for you. Bang. Okay, so dirty red frame, 20.5 inch. Pull out the bag in a minute. So there's stickers, but I just need to put them on. Total do a good thing where they give you a sticker so it doesn't come off, so you can put on whatever sticker you want. So, yeah. Hopefully the camera picks up this finish and stuff, but yeah, slide that up there. Great, like. And great total there. Looks great. Love the frame. Really good. I'll set this here down here. So like I've said, this is episode 1 of the build series. Let me mess this stuff out of the way. Episode 1 of the build series. Just showing you this frame. Great frame. Really, really light. We'll put some cool shots in it and stuff in a minute and get stickers on it. But love the frame, that's inside the box there. Just show you that. So what we done, well, got a bike, came home, it's like 8 o'clock now. Came home, it's like 8 o'clock now. So just showing you that this is first part of the build series, second part coming soon. We'll get more parts, put it all together and stuff. Next probably get a headset and bottom bracket and stuff like that. So we put it all together. Can't wait for that. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you check it out. Add some cool photos into this. Thanks for watching. This outro, make sure to subscribe like I said before. Comment down below. Make sure to check out the new ones coming up this week and stuff of build series. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is my tool.